Okay, I'm back from my walk this morning and I hear the bells. I have little bells on my sheep, so I know they're near. I have the farm divided into, I call them zones. So there's 5 zones, and zone number 5 is the one where they're the most brush, I should say. And I wasn't sure they'd like this area because there's a lot of brush and trees. But I hear the bells. I don't see them though. Yeah, I hear them. I hear them. Let me walk around this way. This is my chicken coop. Samuel's already gotten the eggs this morning. But this is where I compost everything. Let's go around here. You hear those bells? Sheep, 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 sheep. Sheep, 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 sheep. There they are. Hey, pretty ones. There they are. Uh-oh. I don't want to frighten them. But there they are. I love these bells. I mean, even though they stick together, I know that, that they're near. That's some teak trees there. And they love to eat the grass here, and I'm glad. It's about 6 of them there. I don't know where the others are. So, anyway. It was nice to hear the bells. I'll go back home now, finish my walk, and harvest my greens, my fruit. Well, actually, I should see if there's any fruit to pick coming in. Sometimes I'll pick a few oranges and lemons, and other times there's usually lots of bananas. I actually, so many bananas. I've got frozen bananas all in my freezer. This is a cool fruit. The noni fruit. Right here. It's supposed to be really good for your whole body. Anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-this, anti-that. But I've only tried it once. I don't know. I gotta look into that a little bit more. Because I don't know. A couple of oranges. Well, anyway, there's some lemongrass. Sometimes I come here, get some lemongrass, make some teas. I love teas from the farm. Oh, they followed me back to their little house. Hey guys, look at you. I love the sheep. So today I've got some work to do. I'm going to finish up some things, get ready for Monday. Since things are closed today, I really want to start the week with Samuel working on the beds. I have some Hugelkultur beds and this little area here where I've got my greens growing. So, and this is the casita. This is where he stays. Oh, I got to come back here. He said he wanted to cut this wood for the beds. Whew. I love these walks because there's so many hills, up and valleys. See, it's not like just flat land, so I really get a good workout. And I did have energy. I'll let you know how this patch goes through the day, but I did have energy walking up the hills. So, all right, thanks for watching.